show with Dr. Seena Devat, founder ACE Academy. Today we have with us a young charming girl, Samriddhi. So Samriddhi, good evening and welcome to the show.
Good evening, ma'am.
So how are you been doing, Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am, I am fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, doing good, Samriddhi. So Samriddhi is excited about the show or nervous? How are you feeling right now, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, a bit nervous, but I am excited to know what my questions for the day are, ma'am.
Okay, don't worry. I'll ask you relevant questions and I'll be there as a great support for you. And
Yes, ma'am.
it's not like an interview or nothing to be scared of. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
Samriddhi, our viewers are very eager to know about you. Can you uh, introduce yourself to the viewers, please?
Yes, ma'am. I am Samriddhi Kamakshi of grade 12, studying in Chandragandhi Public School. I am a fun-loving, caring, affectionate person, and I love adventure. I love traveling, and I'm also interested in singing and art and craft, and I also love to read books.
Okay, very good. Great. Samriddhi is like all-rounder, huh? But
Ma'am,
one thing, if I ask you, what are you good at? One thing that if you can say, I love this. And what's that, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, I love singing and listening to music, and I feel I'm good at it, ma'am.
Okay, good. So are you going for any classes or it's just that you try it on your own?
Ma'am, I just try it on my own. I listen to a song and I try singing it by myself, ma'am.
So what kind of music you love?
I like melodies, ma'am.
Melodies. Any song that you can sing for us?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, wow, that's very nice. You have to be very sportive like this. Okay, which song can you sing for us, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, Tamil melody
Yeah,
songs?
Tamil. Yeah, I
Yes,
love
ma'am.
me. Yes, yes, you can.
Yes, ma'am. காதல் கண் கட்டுதே கவிதை பேசி கை தட்டுதே ஆசை முள் குத்துதே அருகில் போனால் தேன் சொட்டுதே பறவையாய் திரிந்தவள் இறகு போல் தரையிலே விழுகிறேன் இரவிலும் பகலிலும் தொடரும் உன் நினைவிலே கரைகிறேன் காற்று நீயாக வீச என் தேகம் கூச எதை நான் பேச பறித்து போனாயே. Thank you,
Wow.
ma'am.
Thank you so much, Samriddhi. And thank you for being so spontaneous also, because some of them are very fussy. Oh, no, no, no. But you are so sportive and you have a nice voice. I think so you
Thank you,
can,
ma'am.
yeah, you can practice more. And I think so this will be very good, what you say, not only a time pass, and it can be your strength also, at times.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, music is very healing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and if teenagers adapt to music, it's very good,
Yes, ma'am.
especially when you feel lonely or when you feel alone, when you are okay, you are excited, something like, you can listen to music.
Actually, music lightens up my mood. It
Yes,
helps me be relaxed, ma'am.
yeah, that's true, Samriddhi. That's nice. Samriddhi, to begin with your critical thinking questions, which you are very much excited about.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Samriddhi, you think you are a theoretical person, creative person, or a practical girl?
Ma'am, I would say I am a mixture of all the three, ma'am.
Okay.
Because, yes, ma'am. So, because theoretical, I am not good at coming to a theoretical decision, but I am learning. Each day is a learning, I believe, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I try to be theoretical and creative. I love being creative, ma'am. I try finding creative solutions for things, and I always try like thinking out of the box.
Okay.
And when it comes to practical, sometimes practical things cannot be the things that you like to do, but at times you should be practical so that you would be able to take the right decision. So all of us should have a right mixture of all the three so that we can achieve in life, ma'am.
Samriddhi,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
smart answer, Samriddhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
That was a very smart and very apt answer.
Thank
So,
you, ma'am.
yeah, Samriddhi is a mixture of all three. For someone to answer on the spot like this, critical questions, that surely speaks a lot about you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. I loved your answer. So, like, a mixture of all three, a combination of all three is truly
Yes, ma'am.
important. And I liked your one statement that you said, that all the practical, being practical, we may not like it, but still at times we have to be practical.
Yes, ma'am.
That line speaks so much about your decision making skills also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Samriddhi, so proud of you, Samriddhi. First question itself was a sixer. Your
Thank you,
answer
ma'am.
was a sixer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Out of the stadium. I loved it. Yeah. Samriddhi, what are the qualities you admire in your friends, in others? What are the qualities you admire in others?
Yes, ma'am. Hard work, ma'am. The amount of hard work a person puts to become successful, that is one quality I admire, and I would like to inculcate it in myself as well.
Okay.
And the second quality is giving respect to others' feelings, ma'am, because that is the most important quality one should have these days. Because if we don't show respect for others' feelings, then there wouldn't be humanity around. So there are very less people who show respect for others' feelings in this generation. I admire that a lot in others.
Yeah.
And the third thing would be giving respect to elders, ma'am. That is
Yeah.
most important, because if we give respect to elders, the blessings of elders is much more important than how successful we are. So I feel
Oh,
these three qualities are most important in a person, ma'am, and I admire watching them.
such clarity in your answers. Where did you imbibe? From where did you get this sensible what is that called, common sense? It's not just common sense, it's above common sense. I think you received it from your parents, huh? And school
Yes, ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Parents and school have played an important role in shaping me, ma'am. Plus, my mom tries to talk everything, each and every situation. She tries to talk to me, and I read a book called The Gita for Children by Rupa Pai
Oh,
that has everything about life and how we should lead a good life.
okay.
So all these have shaped me, ma'am.
Yeah, hard work is very important. Respect for each other is very important. When you demand respect, naturally, you have to give respect to the person sitting opposite you, and respect for elders. That's missing now in today's generation, little bit. Respect for elders is missing. Yeah, so
Yes,
I
ma'am.
keep telling children how important it is to respect elders, not only your family people, but also people outside,
Yes,
especially
ma'am.
when you are traveling in a bus, giving a seat to the elder people, like, so helping them cross a road, or supporting them wherever you see them, just giving them a hand, like, so that's very important. The 3 points that you said were very important. And I think not only you admire this in others, I think you also have it to a greater extent,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it?
That others, I think others should tell it, ma'am. I'm not sure.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. uh, uh, Samriddhi, what's your opinion on marriage? Why
Uh,
should, let me complete, I'll complete my question.
yes,
Why
ma'am.
should
Yes.
one get married? What for? Why should we get married?
So this, I would like to answer from what my mom told me, ma'am.
Okay.
So yes, ma'am. So my mom has told me we should analyze ourselves first, and in the process, you can find a person who is same as you, or you will know like in the process of analyzing
Yeah,
yourself, what are your likes, what are your dislikes. You wouldn't fall into things like infatuation, ma'am.
yeah,
So you will have more time to analyze yourself, and you wouldn't fall into these distractions. So already it will take some time to analyze ourselves very well. So at the right age, around 21, 23, it depends on a person, on how we, on how far they know about
yeah,
themselves. So
yes,
at that time, the marriage decision would be perfect, ma'am, because
yeah,
then we would, there are chances that it could go wrong, but it would be perfect because you know more about yourself, and you know how, what kind of a partner you would want in your life,
yeah,
and then you could get married. So why do we need to get married?
Yeah, that's
is
my question.
yes,
That's
ma'am.
my main question.
Yes, ma'am. Why do we need to get married? We have to have a person in our life who will show love towards us, who will respect us as equals. So I feel that marriage should be one where both the partners respect each other as equals, ma'am.
Yes.
And trust is most important among them.
So beautiful, right? I think so. Your mom has taught you a lot of things, huh? Lot of inputs your mom keep giving you.
Yes, my mom is my first best friend, so I talk with her everything freely.
Okay, okay. When you see your mom and dad, like, married couple, like, it's not always happily married couple. Here and there are certain things. When you look at your mom and dad, and is there anything that strikes you and you feel like I should take it from here and I should adapt it in my marriage? Is there anything like that?
Yes, ma'am. Whenever they talk with each other, they never give up. Like they do not let each other down anywhere, ma'am. That I think I should adapt it in my marriage life as well. Like my mom supports my father. My father supports my mother. So
Hmm.
that I think I should adapt it in my marriage life, ma'am. They do
Yeah.
not let down both of them. Did not let down themselves anywhere, ma'am.
So how nice, beautiful couple. I really wish that you to find a great partner. Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
right. Critical, I answered beautifully. You have answered with lot of common sense and sensibility.
Thank you, ma'am.
So proud of you, Samriddhi. Samriddhi, now I'm proud of this. Now, what are you proud of yourself?
I am proud of myself. Ma'am, I like what I am proud of myself is that I am able to show affection towards others, ma'am. And I would always like to have positivity around me. I do not like anyone around me sitting and crying, ma'am. I would always want everybody around me to be happy. That is what I feel is my plus point. And I am always positive about all the things. I'm optimistic, I would say. That is what I'm proud of myself, ma'am.
Oh, so nice. Yeah, you are an optimistic girl. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is that everyone admires in you the most? Maybe your friends, they must have told you. Like they tell me, some people tell me some my good qualities. What is everyone praises you about?
Ma'am, it differs, ma'am. My friends think that I am a perfectionist and I do all my work on time. So they admire that in me. My parents, they feel that I am a person who shows care to everyone around me, no matter whoever it is. And my teachers believe that I am respectful towards them. So each of them admire different things in me, ma'am.
Yeah, great. Then you should be really proud of yourself.
Thank you.
Good. And what qualities is that you look into a potential partner in life?
Mm, Ma'am, the person should be trustworthy and that person should have trust on me. And there should never be a situation where I should help my partner for his growth and he should help me for my growth, ma'am. Then only the relationship will be between among equals. So I feel that my partner should be helpful, caring,
Yeah.
affectionate, and should
All in
treat me
all.
as an equal. Yes,
All
ma'am.
in all.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when you look at your dad is, I'm sure you told me already that your dad is a very good husband to your mom. So when you
Yes,
look at your dad, what is that you feel, my God, my dad is so good at this? Like, even I want a husband like who'll have these qualities. Like, so what is that in dad that you admire the most?
ma'am. The quality that I admire most in my dad, and I want it to be in my life partner, would be hard work, ma'am. Like my father works hard for the family. If my father had not had affection on our family, he wouldn't travel 100 kilometers daily to hospital because we live far away from the hospital which he's working in, ma'am.
Okay, what
So
does your dad do?
my father is a doctor, ma'am.
Okay, okay, uh-huh,
So
okay.
he wouldn't travel 100 kilometers daily uh, to earn money and make us happy. So I feel that the person who's coming for me should be ready to make sacrifices for the family as well, ma'am.
Yeah, that's very true. That's what makes a family happy and a family complete.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone in the family has to sacrifice certain things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, to keep the family happy. Even you have to sacrifice, be it your sister, your mother, everyone. I'm sure your mom also is making a lot of small sacrifices her way,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? So,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
do you think? What are the little sacrifices your mom makes to keep your family happy?
Ma'am, the first sacrifice all the mothers do is getting up early in the morning, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
very tough.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Because they have to cook food for us. Then they have to clean our clothes. So the first sacrifice all the mothers do is getting up early for us. Even on a Sunday, we would be able to get up late, ma'am. But my mom would not be able to get up late, ma'am. So
Yeah,
that is the first sacrifice which my mom does for me. The second sacrifice would be, even though my mom has free time, she would come to us, teach us, and she would make sure that we learn everything. She would use the free time for us, ma'am. More than for her, my mom will use her free time for us. That I think is again a very big sacrifice, because people would want to do what they like in their free time, like
yeah,
reading, listening to music. But my mom thinks that that is not my growth, and my sister's growth is important, and she sacrifices her precious time for us. That is again a very big sacrifice, I feel, ma'am.
yes, that's beautiful. That's very nice. And how many languages you know, Samriti?
Ma'am, mother tongue is Telugu, ma'am. So I know Telugu and I know English. I can understand Hindi, ma'am,
Hmm.
but I would not. I'm not fluent in speaking Hindi because my third language was Hindi. I can understand,
Okay,
read Hindi.
okay,
That's it, ma'am.
okay. You don't know Tamil?
Yeah, I know Tamil also, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, okay. How do you think knowing other languages is a great advantage, or just two languages is enough? Why should we learn other languages too?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We should know other languages as well, because I would like to tell an example in my life itself, ma'am. We had gone to Paris and Swiss, ma'am. There
Okay,
they speak German and French. We didn't know German and French. We
okay.
were not able to express ourselves clearly, even though there was a Google Translator or there was technology. But
Huh.
technology can't come everywhere. There should be connections, network problems would be there. We felt that we should have known I should have learned German and French at that point of time, ma'am. So I feel that knowing a lot of languages helps to interact with people of other cultures and
Yeah.
helps us to know the culture and tradition of that place, ma'am.
Hmm. That's nice. So you start learning French now. Additional language
Yes,
should be French,
yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
One foreign language and Hindi also. You
Yes,
should
ma'am.
try to speak because Hindi you'll go to north, like you say the entire world is getting globalized. We're all
Yes, ma'am.
like interconnected. So you might travel, you might get job, you might have to travel to other parts of India, like so if you know Hindi language, that will be an added advantage, because some of them are stuck up to one language. They feel knowing just Tamil is more than enough, or just knowing Telugu, their mother tongue, is more than enough. So I just wanted to know from your end how many languages you know, and how much importance you give to other languages also.
Yes, ma'am.
I know six languages. I can speak six languages.
I wish I was like you, ma'am.
So like it's nice, I know Kannada. So when I go to Karnataka, I speak in Kannada. It connects. You connect with the people staying there. There is a like immediate bonding. So if instead of speaking in English, you speak in Kannada with those, oh, Kannada, immediately you start building a kind of bond with the
Yes, ma'am.
people there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. When I go to Maharashtra, Mumbai, I try to speak in Marathi, like So, oh, Marathi also, yes. So try to learn as much. Teenagers now you have the kind of stamina, to learn to take in too
Yes,
many
ma'am.
things. So you
Because
should learn.
once we grow old, we would not have that much memory to
Yeah.
learn all the languages. So it's better we learn it now itself, ma'am.
Yes. Samriti, how important is it for teenagers to make right choices in life?
Ma'am, it is very important to make right choices in life, ma'am, because this is the stage where you enter adulthood, ma'am. So if you make the right choices now, your adult life would be settled and you would be successful, I feel, ma'am. But
Yes,
every time we would not be able to make right choices. Sometimes our choices which we think is right might turn wrong. That time we should know how we should face that failure as well.
Yes.
because knowing how to face a failure is most important. And nowadays the increased rate of suicides among teenagers is because of that, because they
Yes.
do not know how to face failures, ma'am.
Yes.
So even though your choices have gone wrong, you should know how we should face it first, ma'am.
Yes, very true. This everyday show, I keep talking, I keep stressing importance on accepting failures in life.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's because as parents, we should teach our children not only talk about success, 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 like, oh, you'll be successful, oh, get motivated, do this, 100, centum. Let's not talk only about success. Some parents should get also talk to their children about failures. If failures come in, how we you are going to handle it. Yes, Samriddhi, you are a very sensible girl, Samriddhi,
Thank
and
you, ma'am.
I'm 100% confident, like, that you will make the right choices in life.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, well brought up by your parents.
Thank you, ma'am.
After the show, like, you should thank them especially.
Yes, ma'am. I'm always thankful for them.
Yes, absolutely. And what do you think about social status and popularity? Is it important? How important is it in life? Social status, everyone tries to maintain this social status and this popularity. How important is this? Are you there, Samriddhi? Hello, Samriddhi, are you there? She'll wait for her. Samriddhi? Samriddhi, are you there, Samriddhi? She was really doing good. We shall wait for her to join in. Samriddhi, are you there?
Hello, ma'am. Sorry for the interruption.
Yeah, it's
There
okay.
was
It's
a
okay.
power cut at my head. Sorry.
Okay,
Hello.
okay, dear. It
Yes,
happens. Don't
yes,
worry. And we were at a very good point. We were what is that called, climax situation, and you went off. It's okay. And everyone
yes,
is
sir.
used to this technology. Don't worry.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it fluctuates.
Yes,
Electricity
sir.
will go
Yes, sir.
off. So don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We were talking about social status and popularity. What is your
Yes,
idea
ma'am.
about it, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, popularity is good, ma'am.
Ah,
But what we do with the popularity has to be is important, ma'am.
hmm,
Because you can be popular, ma'am.
hmm.
You can be popular and you can do something for yourself. You can earn money. You can keep your family happy. But being popular, the main important thing is that you should becoming popular. We earn money. We have to give some part of the money to the society so that we can help them. So
Yes,
popularity should be used only for helping others, ma'am, rather than for our own sake, ma'am.
yes, right. Samriddhi, if you can ask your family people, someone is using your net, if they are using, ask them just to disconnect not your net, only you be there, because some kind of voice audio is not audible. That's why two, three people are using the same net. Are you there, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, I am the one who's using
Okay.
the.
Okay, okay. Some problem with voice. Okay. Samriddhi, your answer was really good. You said it very well that if you get popular, you have to use.
No, ma'am, I'm using the net, ma'am.
Samriddhi, some issue with.
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am? I'm there, ma'am.
Samriddhi?
Hello?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
Samriddhi.
ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. There was some audio issues. Your answer was really great, Samriddhi. You answered well. I think some network issues. Samriddhi was doing really good. She was answering so well. All of a sudden, some kind of network issues got frozen. Samriddhi will be waiting for Samriddhi. It's really interesting. All the questions that we ask, these teenagers are so spontaneous, so sensible, and their answers are like, out of the box. So feel so happy interacting with them and connecting with these teenagers. Earlier, I had a very different opinion about teenagers, that all teenagers fall into the same bracket, and all teenagers nowadays are very modernized and their thought process is entirely different. But after this teen talk show, my perspective has changed, entirely changed. Now I have a lot of regards for these teenagers. Their answers are superb, awesome answers. So let's wait for Samriddhi because she was going great. All of a sudden, some kind of network issues at her end.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you fine? It's okay. No issues at all. All these
No,
things.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry for the disturbance, ma'am. There was a sudden power cut at a end.
Okay, no issues. No, all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
things happen. Technology, that's what technology is all about.
Yes,
And
sir.
we were really, we were in climax and you were answering so well. I was so happy.
Thank
Okay,
you,
so
ma'am.
yeah, yeah. So I just want that we shall repeat with the last question.
Yes, ma'am.
Not last question, but the fifth one, which I was asking you. What do you think about social status and popularity?
Yes,
Can you,
ma'am.
because the voice was not audible then, so can you,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
So, social status, popularity, we can become popular, ma'am, but it depends on how we use our popularity, ma'am. Do we use it for our own good? Do we use it for our family, for our happiness? Or do we use it for the society, ma'am? Because we can earn a lot of money, we can use it up for our family. But the main important thing is that we should use our money to make sure that the society is happy.
Yeah.
Because the society has given us a lot of things so that we can live comfortably, we should give back something to the society. So I feel that popularity should be used in such a way, ma'am.
Yeah, that answer, really good answer. Yeah, popularity is, if in case we become popular, we have to use it in a positive way to help
Yes,
the
ma'am.
society, to reach out to people, even social status. whatever status we are in, I think so that we have to use it for a better cause. Well
Yes, ma'am.
answered, Samriddhi.
Thank
Uh,
you, ma'am.
yeah, Samriddhi, to be a successful person, what are the comfort zones that we have to break and
Um,
reach to the height of success?
yes, ma'am. The first comfort zone we have to break is like we have to work hard, ma'am. No matter how tired we are. It said that however tired we are, ma'am, if we have our goals in our mind, we will work past our tiredness, ma'am. So that is a sacrifice that we should make in order to achieve success in life. The second sacrifice we have to make is we successful people have to they have like the now time they spend with the family can reduce, ma'am, because they work hard to become success, but we should make sure that it does not reduce to a very small extent,
Yeah, yeah,
and we should give respect to all the people around. We
hmm,
should balance both the things, I believe, ma'am.
yeah,
And the third thing that we have to sacrifice for being successful is we can't have a time where we can utilize the time for our hobbies, ma'am. Like we have our hobbies, we can pursue it them, but the time we use will become reduced, ma'am. It will become less.
yes.
So for being successful, I think these three are the
Some comfort zone. Yeah, we
yes,
have to break, come out of our comfort zone if you have to be successful in life.
yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now you have something very interesting. Okay, now this is called the family round. Like I'm just introducing it today to you. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. So
Glad that I'm being the
yeah,
first one to inaugurate it.
yeah, right. So just 4 words for your mom.
For my mom, ma'am.
4 words, not
For
sentence. 4 words.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Caring, affectionate, thoughtful, and thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. 4 words for your dad.
Sincere, hardworking. I would say thank you again to my dad, and punctual. Like he's punctual all the time.
Okay, good. For your sister?
For my sister, life changer. Uh, Life changer. I would thank her as well, ma'am, because
Yeah,
she's without her I'm nothing.
yes.
Life changer. Like she lights up the mood. Happiness creator, I would say.
Okay, good, good, good. Right. And in your family, if I say most disciplined,
Most disciplined. My mom, ma'am. My mom
mom.
is the most disciplined person I
Okay,
would ever meet, ma'am.
okay. Funny?
Funny, I would say myself, ma'am.
Okay. Funniest among the four.
Among the four, my
Uh,
sister, ma'am.
Yours? Okay,
She keeps
okay,
everyone happy, ma'am.
okay. Disciplined mother. Okay, funniest, yes. Um, and then what do you say? Irritating?
Ma'am,
Sometimes
no,
irritating. No, no, no one.
no one, ma'am.
Little bit,
Family,
little bit.
no, ma'am. I don't find family irritating, ma'am. They're happy. They're people who spread happiness. So
Okay.
no one in my family is irritating, ma'am.
Messy, little bit messy, unorganized.
Unorganized. Ma'am, everybody in our family is
Sorry.
I mean, organized,
I
ma'am.
love
Sorry.
the way you're supporting your family.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well, yeah. And best eat, like, who like loves to eat?
Ma'am, me?
You.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. And my
Okay.
sister as well, ma'am.
Who sleeps a lot?
Mm, ma'am, everybody wakes up at the same time,
Them.
so no.
Okay, okay. Good,
My,
good.
I would say me, ma'am. Again, me, I would sleep a lot more than compared to my mom, my sister, my dad.
Yeah, good. So nice. Now, the last question for the day is for you is, suppose you're from your school. What are the 3 things you have to be a brand ambassador of your school? You're
Yes, ma'am.
chosen as the brand ambassador of Chandrakanti Public School. So, what is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
message? What are the 3 things that you'd like to carry it to the outside world about Chandrakanti?
Ma'am, the first thing is, ma'am, they give respect for each and every teacher, staff, non-teaching staff, cleaning people. They give respect for everyone, ma'am. Even though we litter our place, ma'am, they would make us think that how like how hard it would be for the person cleaning the place, so that we don't litter it, ma'am. They help us think for others. So
Okay.
that is the one quality, main quality I would like to preach for. I mean, I would like to be a brand ambassador of our school. And
Okay.
the second thing is they teach us religious tolerance, ma'am. Like,
Okay.
be it whatever festival, we
Hmm.
have celebrations for Christmas, for Ramzan, for Deepavali, all celebrations, ma'am. We all get together in auditorium, class people, they put up shows. For Deepavali, we have dance, music, and for Christmas, each class prepares for a carol so that we would be able to. And for Ramzan, we have people coming over and talking about what happens
Yeah.
during that
Okay.
day. So I
That's
would like,
beautiful.
yes, ma'am. So I would like to
Religious
take the,
tolerance, harmony,
yes,
and
ma'am.
peace. Very nice.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
third one?
The third one is giving respect to elders, ma'am. They teach us how we should give respect to our teachers, and teach. We are asked to greet the teachers even though they are not teaching for us that year. We are asked to greet good morning to our teachers, and wherever we see them, we are asked to greet, ma'am. That I think is the most important thing. We learn to give respect for our elders, ma'am. So
Yeah.
these three things I would love to preach everyone about my school, ma'am.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's nice, Samriddhi. You're studying in a lovely school,
Thank you, ma'am.
which is giving you so much of values and principles, right? And Samriddhi, what's your message to the teenagers, your
Ma'am,
friends?
yes, ma'am, my message to the teenagers would be, ma'am, there is only one life, and life is a roller coaster. It has highs and as well as lows. So we have to live the life to the fullest, but on one condition, that our actions should not affect the happiness of other people. It should not, it should not be in such a way that for our success we let the other people down. So we should enjoy our life to the fullest, ma'am. Once we grow old and our time has come to leave the world, when we look back, we should never have regrets in our life that I could have lived that part a little bit better. I could have read
Better,
this
yeah.
better.
Yeah.
So this is the main thing I feel, that we should live the life to the fullest, ma'am, because it's all we have. All we have is one life, ma'am.
Yeah, nice answer. Very sensible, very good message to all the teenagers.
Thank
Life
you,
is
ma'am.
short, like live it to the fullest. Make
Yes,
the
ma'am.
right choices also, because the choices that you make decides on the quality of your life.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very nice. And to adults like us,
Ma'am, I wouldn't tell it as a message, but it is a thought my mom told me and I would like to share it, ma'am. So, my mom wanted me, when I become an adult, my mom wanted me to communicate with my children, ma'am, because that is the most important thing. Communicate on everything. We want our children to be successful, to get good salary, to be very successful, to be in a high position, but we do not teach them how we should face failures, ma'am. As I had said earlier, if we do not teach them how to face failures, recently there are cases where children attempt suicide because they were scolded by their parents. They should Parents should make sure that children uh, should understand them. They should be in I know that more than talking, it's how we live and show them, how adults live and show them. But the most important thing is you have to improve the communication, ma'am, so
yeah,
that, because when there is more communication, the child can have a trust on the parent and can tell whatever he or she feels like he or she feels like, if I go to my parent, the problem would be solved and I would be happy. They would give me a solution. The main thing is communication, and that I think is lagging in the present generation.
yes.
uh, Parents should communicate, talk often about everything. They should not feel um, guilty about talking about the mistakes they had in their life, so that we
Yeah,
can learn from them, ma'am.
yes.
So that is what I would like to share with the elders, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you for the lovely message, Samriddhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, we shall surely follow. Elders like us will surely follow what you said. We'll try to communicate more with our children. Yeah, and I had a very good time with you, Samriddhi, conversing with you.
Thank you, ma'am. Even I
Yeah,
had a very good time, ma'am. I would like to thank ACE Academy and my school, Chandra Gandhi Public School, for such a big opportunity. If I had, my school always encourages me to do such talk shows on a forum, and I would like to thank ACE Academy for this opportunity, and I enjoyed it thoroughly, ma'am.
yeah. Thank you, Samruddhi. Thank you. And go and say thanks to your parents also, and tell them that I conveyed regards. And
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, they should feel proud to have a great, sensible, matured daughter like you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
I
Delete.
wish my actions would always. I wish my actions would always bring happiness to my parents, and they should
Yes,
feel proud of me for what I am, ma'am. Because
yes,
what I am today is because of them, and I should give them happiness in the same way they gave me, ma'am.
yes, absolutely. Thank you, Samriddhi, and thank you, viewers, for being with us. Stay happy, stay positive, and keep rocking always. Thank you. Thank you, Samriddhi. God bless you, Samriddhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks.